For over 18 years, Global Emission Systems has been focused on the research and development of our patented and proprietary advanced emissions reduction technology. With the introduction of DPFXFIT, GESi brings to market the design, engineering, and manufacturing of industry-leading, application-specific diesel particulate filters and diesel oxidation catalysts for medium and heavy-duty trucks. Designed and built in our Canadian manufacturing facility, DPFXFIT addresses the critical after-treatment system requirements for Tier 1 brands like Cummins, Navistar, Mack, Volvo, Paccar, Detroit Diesel, Isuzu, and more. To complement our full line of DPFs, a growing line of diesel oxidation catalysts will be launched in 2020. With a focus on North American-made quality products, DPFXFIT ensures our emissions solutions meet or exceed OEM requirements. Our commitment to superior workmanship and our one-piece canister design, combined with our affordable DPF and DOC lineup, provides operators with longer product lifespan and maximum return on investment. To further support operators and fleet managers, our network of authorized distribution partners ensures next-day availability to reduce downtime and get you back on the road earning income. Through meaningful and long-term partnerships, our ongoing mandate is to provide OEM durability and performance with aftermarket affordability. Visit DPFXFIT.com to find your OEM replacement today.